Hi, I'm Jasmin Dodson with Dodson Legal Group, and today we're going to talk about the difference between an independent administration and a dependent administration. Now, before we get into that topic, let's talk about what it means to be an administrator. So, an administrator or an executor is a person who is in charge of taking care of the estate while it's in the probate process. An executor is a person who is identified in the will by the person who passed away as the person that they want to be in charge of this process. An administrator is someone who is appointed by the court to take on this responsibility. Now, according to the Estates Code, a person can qualify as an administrator if they are identified in the will, if they are the surviving spouse of the person who passed away, if they are the next of kin. A creditor can also be appointed as the administrator of an estate. An independent administrator can manage the estate without unnecessary court intervention. It can be granted if a person passed away and it's specified in their will that they want their will to be probated as an independent administration, or if the will doesn't indicate, but all the beneficiaries agree to an independent administrator, then the court can order an independent administration. Now, in a dependent administration, the dependent administrator has to request permission from the court before making any distributions, selling any properties, or doing anything else for the estate. Courts can order a dependent administration if there are issues with the beneficiaries and there's a possible conflict with the estate, or if there's minors in the estate and the court wants to make sure that that minor's interests are protected. And a court can also default to a dependent administration if there's no will at the time of death, if the court feels that there's a need for additional oversight with regards to managing the estate. Now, a dependent administration is not always preferable because they can be more expensive than an independent administration, because a dependent administrator has to come to the court essentially to get permission to do anything related to the estate. Administrating the estate of someone who has passed away can be a complicated process. Sometimes it may be necessary to consult outside experts and make sure that you have a competent attorney helping you through the administration process. I'm Jasmin Dodson. If you have questions regarding the administration of an estate, please don't hesitate to reach out.